Hey, what is up, everybody? Michael Crump back here again, talking about the latest and the greatest in PlayStation homebrew news and much, much more. So, on the very last episode, what we did was we went ahead and we added in this brand new 3D theme. Now, there is a whole bunch of different themes that's out there that you can take advantage of. I will include a link to that video, but basically, you get all of these kind of beautiful icons. And again, this one was just the 3D theme. There was a ton of other ones that was currently available. So, what I thought I would do today would be continue to kind of pimp this PlayStation 4, where now, if you had somebody come over, they would definitely take a look at this PS4 and they'd be like, wow, this can do all kinds of cool things. It's got gold hen loaded. But I think we can make it a little bit easier by coming back up here into the notifications and adding a bunch of shortcuts for some of the places that we typically go to. So that's what we're going to do today. So the very first thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to the link in the description below, and you're going to want to download this zip file. Once you download it and open it up, you will have the versions from 9.00 to 11.00. There will be 2 PKGs inside of it, and once you go ahead and you run the package installer, you will see both of those PKGs. So we have one that is for the notifications, and there is another one here which is called Payload Guest. So I'm going to go ahead and run the install all. And in this example, I am using a 9.00 PlayStation 4, but again, this would work on 11.0. Okay, so we have both of those added. And so what we're going to do to begin with is we are going to install the permanent notifications. So we will press X on that, and you will see it says copy finished. You can now close the application. Now what we're going to do is we're going to come up here. We're going to close that application, and we're going to come over here to Payload Guest. So we're going to run Payload Guest here. And right there it is. It's called Notification Shortcut. So we will just simply press X on this, and it shows payload received from our local host. Now it says loading notification shortcut. And it says exit the PS4 and back in to see the changes. So I'm going to go back over to my main menu here. And now in this example, I don't really need this package installed anymore. So I'm just going to come right here and I'm going to go to delete and then press OK. And now let's go ahead and let's restart our PlayStation 4. Okay, so back over on the PlayStation 4, I just re-jailbroke again. And now I'm going to come up here to the notifications. And right there is that menu that I was talking about. So now we could access a bunch of different things just directly from our notifications. So we could come right over here to debug settings. And right there is our debug settings. We could come back to our notifications to activate Gold Hen, or you could use the ESP32-S2. Now, if you do use the 11.0 payloads, it is already set up for PP Pawn. You can also quickly jump over to your storage here. So that's pretty nice. That's a kind of a quick way to kind of get over to your storage. There is a USB device storage, and I do have a USB drive inserted. And so right there it shows I have 4.60 gigabytes used out of 126. There is also system settings. You can jump over to your library. There are controller options. So one button here. It's pretty nice. You can jump straight over to it. I'm going to change that to dim. And let's see what else that we've got in here. So we have got application save data management, and then capture gallery settings, parental controls, and then a bunch of other things. What will be really nice about this is that when you do reboot your console, this will always be in the notifications, so you can just simply jump over to this really anytime that you want. Anyways, just another video here to kind of help finish pimping out your PlayStation 4. It absolutely looks gorgeous so far, and we've been able to do everything pretty much right over here on the PlayStation 4. So, anyways, I hope you got something out of this video, and I will see you on the next one. Michael out.